Hello everyone. Today we will learn a simple yet profound breathing technique which helps us during high BP, hypertension, anxiety, heart issues. Let us now learn how to do this. Breathe in and we breathe out through the mouth as if we are blowing the air. Once again with eyes closed, breathe in, breathe out through the mouth. Observe the difference and you may gently open your eyes. Now, this time as we breathe out, we will reduce the gap between our lips as if we are blowing out via a thin straw. Let's breathe in. Reduce the gap between the lips. Let's start breathing out as slow as you can. Once again. Relax as you finish. Observe your mind, your breath, the heart, the blood already settling down. Observe the difference in your mind, in your being. And you may slowly open the eyes. This is very simple to do, yet the impact is very powerful and instantaneous. Practice this and let me know how you feel. Take care.